Let's be honest for a second. Look around. We are living in a world full of tired eyes and quiet regrets. Most men will never understand why they feel so empty. They spend their best years chasing quick, cheap pleasures, numbing themselves with a screen, chasing a temporary high, never realizing they are giving away the very fire that was meant to make them great. I know, because I've been there. I know what it's like to look in the mirror after giving in to distraction and feel that heavy, silent disappointment. You feel less like a man and more like a ghost of who you were supposed to be. Your ambition fades, your focus slips, and your biggest dreams just sit on a shelf, collecting dust. But here is the secret. The modern world tries to hide from you. That fire inside you, that restlessness, that intense hunger, it isn't your enemy. It never was. That raw desire is your power. It's the same energy that built empires, won championships, and fueled history's greatest creators. Men like Muhammad Ali, Mike Tyson, and Nikola Tesla weren't superhuman. They just understood a law of the universe. Energy cannot be destroyed. It can only be transformed. When you stop letting your impulses control you, that trapped energy turns into fuel. It becomes a relentless focus. It becomes dangerous. Think about the last time you felt that surge of tension, that urge to escape into a distraction. Most men obey it instantly. They give up their power for 5 seconds of pleasure, and they wake up the next day feeling even emptier. But imagine doing something different next time. Imagine taking that exact same heavy, restless energy and forcing it into your business, into the gym, into your craft, into your future. Every single time you say no to a cheap distraction, you say yes to your soul. You build a version of yourself that walks differently, speaks differently, and carries a quiet certainty. You stop being a slave to your urges. You become the commander of your fate. So, my brother, look at your life right now. What path are we choosing today? Are we going to stay trapped in this loop of temporary pleasure and permanent regret? Or are we going to take that fire, protect it, and use it to build a life we can actually be proud of? The next time the temptation hits, don't run. Pause. Breathe. Feel the power running through your veins and redirect it. Put it into your work. Put it into your purpose. You already have the strength inside you. You always did. Now stop wasting it. Let's prove to the world, and more importantly, to ourselves, what we are truly capable of. Stay focused. Stay unstoppable.